Good news, they fixed my transmission leak. Just kidding. You see what I did there? Anyway, happy Friday, guys. I am putting the snowshoes on because these things with the factory tires, these Continentals, oof, slippery with a front wheel drive. But these Cooper Evolutions, they're directional. These things are meaty. I do like these tires better than the Espias, the Falken Espias. They were just on sale when I bought them for hers. The Espias are more of like a general snow tire. These are like mud snow tire. Like these things have some lugs. And being Chevron like they are, man, these are a better tire. I'm probably gonna buy these for hers when I replace those. Just sucks having to buy all these wheels and tires, but I mean, hey, it's better than swapping them over on your rims and beating up the tires every time you do it. So plus I like the gas mileage with the aluminum wheels. I don't care what anybody says, I do way better on fuel with these, and they're noticeably lighter, this whole tire package. These things really suck it down. Even with the factory tires on those wheels, they are definitely noticeably different in fuel economy. I mean, we're talking like 2 miles per gallon, but when you're getting great gas mileage out of the thing, it's okay to be stingy, right? Anyway, let's see here. Show you the transmission and the leak that they fixed, and I didn't have to zoom in on that. So at least this dealership, I'm no longer going to the other dealership, the one I bought it from. I don't even know if I'm going there for sales. They just don't work with you. It's not the salesman's fault, it's the management. But I go there for parts for sure. But this is ridiculous. I'm so over this thing leaking. And they said, it was the transmission cooler lines, the O-ring. Let's see if we can get in there. They said it was the O-rings, and then they said it was the lines the second time. So the first time I took it in, they replaced the O-rings. Excuse me. Second time I took it in, they replaced the whole lines. Which, okay, that's cool, new lines, and didn't need to do that. But it's back. And I took a picture every single time I dropped it off and picked it up. So everything's date stamped, time stamped. There was no residue anywhere, and I've wiped that off since. Even though that's stupid, if you got a leak, don't wipe it off. But this leak's so good that I can wipe it off and it comes right back. But I'm keeping my shield off. I still think something happened at the factory with this thing. The way that dowel is messed up there. I think they caught the edge of this up here where it's leaking. It doesn't really look like it's leaking from the silicone seal, but that would be my next guess. But to me, I think they caught the lip and maybe micro cracked it here or something. Something happened. But this side is kind of dry. Yeah, everything's pretty dry. Lines are dry. They said they put dye in it and it was coming from the lines, definitely. Okay, at least you're doing something. But like I said before, this dealer's cool because they take pictures. They give me great loaners. The other dealer barely ever want to give you a loaner. This dealer, man, they give you a brand new truck to drive. Brand new truck to drive, and yeah, it just no complaints other than when I'm getting to drive a brand new F-150, I'll be the only one that complains now that I'm used to the hybrid that 20 miles per gallon ain't too fun. I want to check these things. Oh wow, look at that. They didn't use stainless clips for the heat exchanger on the exhaust. Look at those clips already rusted. I don't dig that. I don't dig this. I think that's a whole separate cooling system, which is good and bad for the battery. But yeah, that's kind of hokey. I mean, we're in Northeast Ohio. I mean, we get a little bit of salt, but that's wow. I've also noticed that Ford has used a lower grade stainless for their exhausts over the years. There's an extended coverage on the heat exchanger if it fails. They already put one on it. So watch that. It's a good truck though. I mean, I don't know, I like it. I need to fluid film it. I didn't do that yet. I need to do both of them. Catch a nice day here, and I'll catch a nice day and go to the laser wash and get a wash. Dang, 18,000 miles. I did start to notice that they're gonna start rusting on seams and that if you don't fluid film them. Yeah, that's the battery, hybrid battery. From what I've seen, it doesn't look too bad to change, and they seem, compared to hybrid batteries of the past when they came out, they seem relatively inexpensive. Now, I wonder what that bolt's for. Bolt hole. There's one on that side too. Yeah, see the rust? That's what you don't want. That's how it starts. Now I'll get in there all nice and deep like with that fluid film. Tire Cruncher 9000. I didn't opt for the full-size spare. I could give a hoot. I don't care. If I have a flat tire and I have a donut, I'm gonna be getting that fixed right away anyway. So I'll rotate it to the front. I don't care. I didn't want to spend the extra money. What in the world is that secret magic stuff? Is that air? What the heck? Does anybody know what that is? I've seen that before on here. I'm not sure. Huh. Yeah, I don't know what that. Is it a well, it's not doing too well, corrosion wise. Huh. Alright, well, yeah, just let you guys know I am chasing this. Man, wouldn't it be nice to live in somewhere without rust? I am chasing this transmission leak down. There is a buyback offer that Ford's gonna send me. I don't really want to do that, but if they give me everything I paid for the truck, we'll see. But if they don't, I do have a repair assist case also started to where they're going to be talking to the dealership for me, which is nice. It's something I don't have to do. I gotta get another set of center caps. I don't have any. But honestly, I think it's more like 4 mile per gallon difference on the wheels. I haven't really checked, but it does seem worse. Could be a combination of the heavier wheels and the winter gas, but who knows. Alright, just wanted to let you know that we're still working on that transmission leak because they don't want to fix it. So, but they're gonna, or they're not. Either way, I'm not going to get screwed over. But other Maverick is doing awesome. Tomorrow I will be doing the S&B intake. I'm so excited for that. Ever since that came out, I was like, oh my gosh, gotta have it. So, all right, we'll see you later.